Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution platform. In today's video, show you how to fix the WhatsApp status allow sharing option not showing problem step by step. See, this is the problem, allow sharing option not showing problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, tap on the WhatsApp app and now click on the I button option and scroll down. Now click on the storage option and clear check and clear data. Okay, back. And now click on the permission option and allow all permission: call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby device notification, phone, photos and videos, SMS. Allow all permission. Okay, back and go to your Play Store and now search here WhatsApp app and check update your WhatsApp app. And my WhatsApp app already updated. Okay, back. And third step, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and click on the WhatsApp app and open your WhatsApp and now click on the update option and click on the three dot line option and status privacy. See, allow sharing option showing. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.